Hello, welcome back. Let's take some multi-choice questions from SSC and Jamb. Number 1. Which of the following units is derived? A. kg, B. m, C. k, D. Newton. The answer to this question will be D. Newton is the SI unit for force, and force is definitely a derived quantity. And if it's a derived quantity, definitely the unit will be a derived unit. Number 2. Physical quantity that has the same dimensions as impulse is dash. A. Energy, B. Momentum, C. Surface tension, and D. Pressure. What physical quantity has the same dimensions as impulse? The answer to this question will be momentum. Okay, why is it momentum? Of course, we understand that according to the law of momentum, that the force is directly proportional to the product of mass and the change in velocity per unit time. When we do the mathematics, we see that impulse is also equal to momentum. Impulse is force times time, momentum is mass times velocity. So if they are equal, that simply means their dimensions are also the same. Number 3. Which of the following is the dimension of pressure? A is ml raised to power minus 1 t raised to power minus 2. B is ml t raised to power minus 2. C is ml raised to power 2 t raised to power minus 3. And D is ml raised to power minus 3. The answer to this question will be A. Why A? Pressure is force over area. Force, on the other hand, is mass times acceleration. If we get the dimensions for force, which is mass times acceleration, break down acceleration further. Acceleration is velocity over time. Therefore, acceleration will be Lt raised to power minus 2. And force is mass times acceleration. Therefore, force in dimensions, therefore, will be mLt raised to power minus 2 over area. Area is L squared. So by the time you do the mathematics, you will arrive at mL raised to power minus 1 t raised to power minus 2. Number 4. The values of x, y, z in the expression m raised to power x, l raised to power y, t raised to power z for the universal gravitational constant g are A, 2, minus 3 and minus 2, B, minus 1, 3 and minus 2, C, 1, 2 and 3, D, minus 2, minus 1 and 3. The answer to this question is B. First and foremost, we want to find out how to calculate gravitational constant. Gravitational constant G is equal to F times r squared, which is the distance between the two masses, over m1, m2. By the time you break it down further into fundamental quantities, you will have this particular answer. Number 5. Which of the following unit is equivalent to kilogram meter per second? A. Newton per second. B. Newton meter second. C. Newton second. D. Joule seconds. And the answer to this question is D. Kilogram meter per second originally is the unit for momentum. Kilogram stands for the unit for mass. Meter per second stands for the unit for velocity. It also has the same unit as joule per second. Momentum also has the same unit as joule per second. With this, we have come to the end of this topic. Please check out our advisory notes and other notes to prepare better for your exams. Thank you.